if someone came up to a door and kicked it open, you want a lot of strength here to keep it from just blowing out this back side of this. One of the key things there is to make sure these screws are long enough. Now, so many of them have very short screws, just like this one, and what you need is a longer screw like this one that'll go into the trim work and extend on into the framing itself. So we'll replace these two screws, and that'll certainly improve it very easily. And there, now that goes back into the studs. That'll make it a lot stronger, but I've got a trick to make it even stronger. I begin by removing the interior trim on the latch side of the door frame to expose the spot where door jamb and wall itself meet. I'm being very careful not to damage the molding so that it can be reused later. This steel building plate will provide added strength to the jamb just inside the lock, but we don't want it to be visible, so I'm chiseling out the wood about 1/8 of an inch deep so that the trim will fit back over it. It's a good idea to drill pilot holes for the points where we'll screw the plate to the door jamb. 1.5-inch screws will work for that, but I'm also using 3-inch screws to tie the plate to the wall stud for extra holding power. What we've created is just an extra layer of support for the deadbolt and the door jamb, because with the plunger engaged, if someone were to kick the door, the only thing preventing it from tearing out the back side of the jamb is a small little piece of wood. With this in place, that won't be a problem. Now, this is the type of doorway that's very attractive for someone to break in because it's in this little alcove and it's not visible from the street out front. So this is a great idea here, but really a good idea for any doorway at your house.